Hi guys, welcome back to D&D. Yeah, there's only one D today and the other D is not there because she betrayed me and went somewhere else. Okay, so today I'm actually going to a cafe in Bengaluru, and so yeah, today's video is going to be about that. By the way, you have a surprise in middle, so stay tuned for it. Okay, now I have to book auto and go. Bye bye. Hi guys, we are walking on the skyline to go to metro station. Hi guys, reach metro station and is about to come in 1 minute. Guys, we got down from green line and going to purple line, but we have to wait for metro. Fit check. Yeah. Did you miss the other day? And the other day is here. Hi guys. So we are here for Kalash. Kalash is getting her piercing. I was about to get, but then my mother told.
I'm getting it here.
But my mother told that my mother suggested me to get in summer. I was like, yeah, better choice. It's okay. I will give moral support for Kalash.
This is my
as I
decision.
already have one piercing. Don't cry, don't cry, don't cry. It's over. Done, done. It's done, it's done, it's done.
Putting no, let him put.
It's done. He's just putting the front part, that's all. It's done. Hi guys, now we're on the streets of Indiranagar. Kalash just got her piercing done. And now we're going to cafe. Oh my god, there was this one cute dog.
Walking it.
Chumma, it
I
was.
know, right? It hurts so much.
It was
But
so-
sure.
I am talking about dogs, talking about piercing. The place where we went to for piercing, it was really good.
It was
People,
so good.
Yeah.
It was so amazing. And like, they were talking to us like normal human beings.
Yeah.
Treating us with so
No.
much respect and
we were
love.
we were talking like as if we know them from
Yeah, for like ages and we are friends and all, catching up for so long.
Yeah.
Fun. Very extroverted, nice people. Yeah.
People who are in Bangalore looking to get piercing, I would really suggest you to go to this place.
We'll tag the place in comment section. It's amazing. You should go there.
Yeah. Really worth it.
Okay, bye.
This is the cafe we had to come, guys. We are almost here. Where are you? Kalash.
Hi guys, this is the cafe which we wanted to go to. It's very known for its salads and pastas. Very
And of course, we like
Yeah.
to eat salads and pastas.
yes, favorite thing on the planet. But I'm very underdressed, but it's okay. I can't take this off.
Okay, guys, we'll go inside in this cafe.
Yes.
Very pretty. I really like the interiors. We'll show you around.
And we ordered one veg Caesar salad.
Yes.
And of course, when I'm here, I would order white sauce pasta.
And then we
And
got hot cocoa, which is hot chocolate with whipped cream because it's very tasty. And
hot chocolate plus whipped
so
cream.
I'm very hungry now.
Hot
And
chocolate plus whipped cream. Apparently, the food here is very good. It seems.
yes, I'm waiting for it. I want food. I'm very hungry. I want to.
I'm
cook
very
everything.
hungry. We both ate at 1 o'clock.
Ah.
She betrayed me and went to Kengeri without me, guys. Have your friends ever betrayed you like this?
Join
If yes,
DP, then only you can come to Kingeri. You get Kingeri privileges when you are in DP. Ah, sorry.
look here.
She's so annoying. Oh God, I hate
If
her.
you have friends who have betrayed you like this, comment down and let us know.
Okay, bro. I woke up at 5 a.m. and then I was there in campus till 4 p.m., 4:30 p.m. Almost 5 p.m. Okay, I was there. I was awake since 12 hours, and now it's my 14th hour being out of my own house, and I'm very tired. But I love this woman. So
Who asked you to tell all that? I don't like you.
I love you. So sorry. I did not know it was.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Is it hurting?
No.
I know you're very small, so you get hurt in. Shut up. Okay, bye.
Got our first dish already, and this madam here is so excited.
Let's go.
Let her eat.
Let's do food review.
Yeah, eat and give us review.
It's a little too sweet for my liking.
Huh?
Yeah, for my liking.
Then I
Can you
might like
believe?
it, but I cannot eat sweet.
Yeah. I want to drink it. I don't want to eat it. How hot
Is it hot?
No, it's not. That's the thing. It should be hot chocolate, no? Will I burn my mouth? No, I don't want to burn my mouth.
Whipped cream is so cream, I guess.
Cocoa is good. The down part. Yeah, whipped cream is very creamy.
I like it, but I cannot drink it a lot. My head is already aching a lot.
Already eating from now?
No. I told no. When I was traveling in metro only, it started aching.
So much.
Woohoo! Yay!
Food is here. Caesar salad and there's pesto pasta here. You cannot see that, haha.
Yeah. I don't know why. Yeah, it tastes decent. It's not
So good, but
life changing.
yeah, it's good only.
Let's try Alfredo. I feel like I'm gonna. I like truffles more than anything. Even though I have not tried the pasta, I could just smell it. It was good. Decent. I put mozzarella on.
Decent one.
And the price is also decent, okay?
Yeah. So I think we can expect
700.
700 per person? No, everything.
800,
All three.
maximum 800. Not more than that.
Should I put this? Should I put this? Okay, so overall, what would you give overall rating out of 10?
Or 7 or 10.
7 or 10, same. So we're gonna put this link, this place link also in bio comments. If you are a person who's looking to go to a cafe in Bangalore, you can come here. Yeah,
Yeah.
decent only.
But go to truffles first.
That's
Did not like anything more than that. Guys, big thing happened. We were eating pasta, full salad, full eating. She goes, result has come. I was like, don't joke with me. See, I'm not in the mood to joke. I'm already in pain, suffering. Food is okay. She's like, result came actually. So we checked, and it's much better. It's good. It's very good.
Yeah, I'm happy. I haven't expected that much, but I'm happy. Yeah.
Yes, I'm very happy, and thank you God for everything. Thank you God.
Thank
for
you,
everything.
Krishna.
Exactly, bro. Yeah.
Yeah, we are happy now. She got piercing. We got result. Good result.
I went to Kingeri, my dream come true.
I ate
Coming out to
pasta.
Indira Nagar after 1.5 years of living in. Today is very nice. I love today.
No, I was sad in the morning after looking at the trading of CSK and RR. I have cried like hell. Oh my god, I have cried like hell.
She's a cricket fan. Very big, major.
Not very big. I'm a cricket fan.
Big
I love
enough that
CSK.
every single match she tells me what is happening, what wicket is there, what is that big enough. If you understand.
I love CSK. CSK.
Oh, she likes me. She actually. This is Bangalore. This is Bangalore.
Yeah.
Hi guys, so we are roaming in streets of Indranagar and it's so pretty. It reminds me of my hometown. It's very similar to my
So
hometown.
pretty.
So, yeah, we should come here more often, even though it's, you know,
Far.
Brazilians, galaxies away. But it's a little more than MG Road, so it should be fine. I don't know.
I don't mind actually traveling
Same.
this much. Only this girl.
I don't mind. Sometimes I mind. Like 8 out of 10 times I mind. But then 2 times I don't mind, no. So it's fun and all. You know.
Streets of Bengaluru look so empty.
And I like it.
It's so peaceful. Like, yeah, it's so peaceful.
I like
On the way to metro, we found street shopping. It's actually but we didn't, so we're not looking at everything. But guess what? Kalash bought me this.
Because you know what, this girl, he was selling it for 80 rupees and she's like 60. If you don't give her 60, I'll not take it. And she loves it. She barely takes anything. He's like, no, 70 last price. And she walks away. What is this one? 10 rupees you'll walk away from things you like, bro. What is this user behavior?
This is so pretty. We got down from Purple Line and boarded in Green Lane, but metro is so crowded that we did not get seats.
I don't know how to function. What is this?
Look at her face, bro. Yeah, metro is so crowded.
I'm gonna go.
We will.
After 30 minutes.
But sure, we will go. Careful, you're piercing. Finally, back to PJ, guys. That was today's video. If you like it, do like, share, comment, and subscribe to DND. Bye bye. See you all in next video.